win a trophy. But I tried my best.
Feels obviously very, very special. I've said it multiple times before as well. This was a dream which I wanted to win.
Boomer, you're a legend.
So viewers, this is our immersive coverage of India's incredible victory, the triumph in T20 World Cup 2024. A long wait for the fans and also the team alike. We had been reaching the semi-finals, we had been reaching the finals, we had been doing everything right, being unbeaten throughout the tournament, but still we had been falling short of the last hurdle. But that was not the case in 2024 T20 World Cup. Well, it looked like so at one point, but the men in blue continued to execute their plans and they snatched the victory from the jaws of defeat. In fact, the moment of glory that every Indian had been waiting for, winning the T20 World Cup after 17 long years. In fact, Dhoni winning it in 2007 sparked a new generation, a new era of cricket in India. And now, could that be the case with Rohit Sharma winning it? A whole lot of young cricketers are watching, a big generation of cricketers across the nation, training in academies across the nation, getting, of course, their hopes high of winning the trophy for India, also aiming to play for India. All of these dreams, all of these ambitions could potentially be fueled by this one victory. Everyone talks about of what 1983 World Cup win did to India and Indian cricket. Well, could 2024 also be such a watershed moment? We'll be discussing that and a lot more, and all about the effect that this victory is going to have on the future of Indian cricket. Joining me on the broadcast are my guests for this discussion. Chandrasekhar Luthra, who's a senior sports journalist, and also Arshad Ayub, who's a former Indian cricketer. But gentlemen, before we start discussing this, also joining me on the broadcast are our colleagues from across the nation, helping us understand what's the mood like. Shreya joins me from Kolkata, Dharani joins me from Chennai, Pradeep is joining us from Jammu, and Srushti is joining us from the iconic Shivaji Park in Mumbai. In fact, let me first start with Shreya, who's joining us from Kolkata. Shreya, Kolkata has the Eden Gardens, the oldest cricket stadium in India, the second largest cricket stadium in India, and of course, while Kolkata is known for its football culture, cricket, of course, is also something that runs in their blood. Help us understand what's the mood like in Kolkata. It's of course it's a double delight for fans in Kolkata. Their team won the IPL and now the men in blue have also won the World Cup. So what's the emotion like right there in Kolkata?
Well, right now we're reporting live from Moidan and I'm joined by young aspiring cricketer. Now, of course, the men in blue have made us super proud yesterday, but let us see how the ground is impacted and how these young cricketers are inspired. मैं आपके पास आना चाहती हूँ पहले. आप बताओ, आप प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे कुछ देर पहले. कल जो वर्ल्ड कप हुआ, हमने T20 का ट्रॉफी उठाया. आपको कैसे लग रहा है? कितना इंस्पिरेशन मिला आपको?
हम लोग इंडिया टीम को सपोर्ट करते हैं हमेशा से. इतने साल से हम लोग इंडिया का मैच देख रहे हैं. बहुत साल 2013 में लास्ट हम लोग फाइनल जीते. उसके बाद से हमेशा हम लोग नॉकआउट मैच में जाते हैं और हार जाते हैं. हम लोग को हमेशा दिल टूटता है. लेकिन कल इतने सालों बाद 11 साल बाद हम लोग की टीम फाइनल जीती. हम लोग के पूरे कोलकाता में सभी को बहुत अच्छा लगा. हम लोग के हमेशा सपोर्ट करते हैं, लेकिन आज हम लोग को सपोर्ट और इंस्पिरेशन हम लोग और हाई हो गया. जितना हम लोग सपोर्ट करते हैं और जीते आज हम लोग मैच, ऐसे ही हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं सपोर्ट करते रहेंगे और हमेशा इंशाल्लाह आगे जीतते रहेंगे.
So you can hear from them the inspiration has in fact gone up. Let me go across to more people. आप बताइए, आप भी प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे. आपके लिए कितना इम्पोर्टेंट था ये मैच और कितना इंस्पिरेशन मिला आपको?
We are also an aspirant. The lesson which we learned yesterday that we should never give up. This was the time, 19th November 2023. Yeah, right. This was the time, 19th November 2023, when we lost the match. And that was World Cup final. And वहाँ से हम लोग एक लेसन जीते थे that we should never give up because all the match back to back हम लोग जीते गए नॉकआउट्स में. But end में फाइनल में आके हो गया. ऐसे हम लोग भी एस्पिरेंट है, मेहनत करते रहते हैं. बट क्या होता है कभी कभी फेलियर हम लोग को साथ आता है, बट उस समय क्या होता है कि हम लोग को हताशा आ जाता है। हम लोग इंडिया से एक सीखे हैं कि हम लोग को कभी भी नहीं हार मारना चाहिए, और कल वो प्रूफ किया है। ऐसे इंडिया और भी हम लोग का नाम रोशन करेगा और इंशाल्लाह हम लोग भी रोशन
So of course they believe that hard work is to be continued. Let me in fact go across to more fan. आप बताइए आप कितने सालों से खेल रहे हैं और कल के मैच के बाद आपको कितना इंस्पिरेशन मिला?
I've been playing since childhood, but yesterday's match was absolutely something very big which has happened. Everybody, in fact, this was the first, like this match was, the Rohit Sharma has played so well that under his captaincy, he has won, and we all know that the way all the players cried, yeah. So it has been very inspiring for all of us, and yeah, we will always be supporting Team India. So hip hip hooray!
They are the inspiration.
So you can see they are so excited. They are being so motivated. So of course this happens to be the second.
Well, Shreya, you're not audible there, understandably so. The enthusiasm and the excitement among the fans winning the first ICC trophy. The men in blue, of course, have done it after 11 long years. A long wait for a team that has been so good across tournaments, across formats. Indeed, a big moment. And of course, like we understood there, we were hearing all the fans there speaking about how excited and also how inspired they are. In fact, let me go across to Srishti now, who's joining us from Mumbai, Shivaji Park, which has seen iconic cricketers in Indian cricket history train there, take their first steps in cricket right there at that very ground. And also I can see a few cricketers as well, aspiring cricketers with Srishti. Srishti, if you can just speak to them and also help us understand how much of an inspiration this particular victory has been, because again, the team doing well is on one hand, but the team winning trophies also does inspire a generation of cricketers. So how inspiring was last night's win for these cricketers who were there with you?
Well, of course, cricket is an emotion on which, the entire nation rides on. Right now, where I'm present is at the iconic Shivaji Park, wherein the all legendary, our players have played the cricket. And this is the very place where I'm standing and reporting from. We are getting you the live visuals from here, as well as the young budding cricketers who aspire to play cricket on international levels. And of course, their icons are, of course, Rohit Sharma, Sachin Tendulkar, and everyone who is there in our cricket team. You tell us, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? Who is your inspiration and कितनी inspirational रही कल की मैच?
रोहित शर्मा है इंस्पिरेशन हमारा। तो उनका बैटिंग तो नहीं हुआ ये टाइम अच्छा, पर पूरे वर्ल्ड कप में आईपीएल में उनका बैटिंग बहुत अच्छा था। वो बहुत अच्छा करता है। इधर जितने भी लोग हैं उनका मतलब ड्रीम है उनसे मिलना। उनको मुंबई का राजा रोहित शर्मा, सुपर हिट शर्मा।
मुझे बताइए, आप चाहते हैं कि कभी आप आगे जाए और इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट खेले?
Yes.
उसी के लिए इतनी मेहनत हो रही है?
यस।
कितने घंटे आप क्रिकेट खेलते हैं रोज यहाँ पे?
रोज 2 से 3 घंटा।
स्कूल के बाद?
हाँ, स्कूल के बाद हमारे इसमें स्कूल में ही है, टफ है, उसमें हम लोग खेल लेते हैं।
यहाँ पे इस पर्टिकुलर ग्राउंड पे शिवाजी पार्क पे काफी लेजेंडरी क्रिकेटर्स जो है उन्होंने गेम खेला है। इसी ग्राउंड पे खेलते वक्त कैसी फीलिंग आती है?
अच्छा लगता है खेलने के लिए। बारिश में आओ या कभी भी आओ, रेनी सीजन में या नॉर्मल डे में आओ तो अच्छा ही लगता है खेलने के लिए। कोई टेंशन नहीं रहता है, खेल सकते हैं। बॉल का भी मतलब शॉप से सब है, टेंशन।
नाइस। सर, आप बताइए कितनी इंस्पिरेशनल रही कल की मैच, क्या फीलिंग्स है?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक्स टू ऑल इंडियन फैंस एंड मतलब इंडिया फर्स्ट टाइम मतलब 13 साल के बाद वर्ल्ड कप जीता है, तो सब मतलब इंडियन फैंस के सब हैप्पी है, हैप्पी मोमेंट है। और कल की मैच मतलब विराट कोहली ऐसा बेहतरीन मतलब बैटिंग किया और उन्होंने मतलब कप्तानी पारी केरी उन्होंने मतलब अच्छा खेले, टीम को होल्ड करके पूरा इनिंग उन्होंने लीड किया, तो और हैप्पी मोमेंट for all cricket.
Well, of course, yesterday Virat anchored himself as well as the entire team very well. Even the bowling from Indian cricket players was extravagantly good, and that's why those results are there for us. Sir, क्या कहना चाहेंगे, कितना इंस्पिरेशनल रहा है कल का मैच?
बॉलिंग टीम में जसप्रीत बुमराह हमेशा मैच अच्छा खेलता आया है और वो अच्छा बॉलिंग किया। वो जो जिस टाइम पे उनको बॉलिंग दिया उस टाइम पे उन्होंने मार्को जॉनसन का विकेट निकाला उसके बाद अर्शदीप सिंह ने बॉलिंग अच्छा किया, उसके बाद हार्दिक पांड्या ने जो लास्ट ओवर डाला, उस लास्ट ओवर में मुंबई का जो हमारा सूर्य कुमार यादव है, उन्होंने जो कैच खेला उधर ही मैच हम लोगों ने पकड़ा है। जो कैच नहीं पकड़ता तो हम मैच हार जाते।
जी बिल्कुल। सर आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? आप कई सालों से यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं, इस ग्राउंड पे आप क्रिकेट खेलते हैं, बच्चों को सिखाते भी होंगे, क्या एक आपने जर्नी देखी है इस ग्राउंड पे?
इस ग्राउंड पे तो मैंने बहुत जर्नी देखी है। सचिन तेंदुलकर के उनके सामने ही मैंने खेला विला है, तो उनका इंस्पिरेशन मैंने लिया है मैंने। तो उनके हिसाब से कल मैच जो जीता वो बहुत अच्छा जीता है। और जो अभी बोले मेरे दोस्त कि जो सूर्य कुमार ने जो कैच पकड़ा है उनका, वो बहुत उसकी वजह से ही मैच जीते हम लोग।
जी बिल्कुल। Thank you for connecting with us. So these are the voices from Mumbai. Absolutely inspirational. The match was yesterday, and of course that's India.
Right, Srishti, of course, very inspiring voices there. Clearly, this, like we're talking about, is going to inspire the next generation of cricketers, and now, no better place than Mumbai. Of course, Rohit Sharma has been doing it for the Mumbai Indians for many times in the IPL. He's now done it on a global stage for Team India. That's what every single fan across the nation, everyone's forgotten their IPL rivalries. Everyone was focusing on one thing. That's the men in blue getting that trophy back home. In fact, talking of IPL rivalries from Mumbai, what other place to move on than Chennai? Dharani joins me from Chennai. I know Pradeep standing there with a bat in his hand. Pradeep will come to you as well. But Dharani, clearly there, Chennai fans, of course, had a reason to cheer with the IPL, which of course they had been winning for many years now. But there was again something, a void that every single Indian fan, every single CSK fan also felt, that while we are winning in the IPL, while their team is doing well in the IPL, in the international stage, India was just falling short. But now I think after this particular victory, there's going to be a fresh wave of cricketers that again are going to come out of Chennai wanting to replicate what Dhoni did, what Rohit Sharma did, what Virat Kohli did. This is of course going to be a big moment for them. And also given the fact that their Chinnatala, Ravindra Jadeja has also now announced his retirement.
Definitely. Recently, we saw Mahendra Singh Dhoni announcing his retirement from the Chennai. I mean, the captaincy was changed from Mahendra Singh Dhoni to Ruturaj, and then now we are looking at Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, and Jadeja. All of them announcing their retirement from the T20 international cricket, and definitely they are paving way for the next generation to come. And yesterday's match, what an iconic match it was, especially the performance of Surya Kumar Yadav, Jasprit Bumrah, Hardik Pandya, and Virat Kohli in particular. It literally led to the Team India's victory, is what we can say. And without further ado, let's join these people from Chennai. In fact, I have a lot of younger faces here, the next generation people who are going to take cricket over further. So let's try and understand them, understand what their mood is. So did you watch the match yesterday? How was it? Yes! How was it?
It was very nice and Bumrah took nice wicket, 7 for 1, and it was very nice wicket by Bumrah, and well done batting by Virat Kohli and Surya Kumar Yadav.
So who did you like a lot yesterday? Who was your favorite?
Virat Kohli! Virat Kohli! Virat Kohli! 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 Kohli!
All of them seem to be Virat Kohli's fans.
We are a little bit sad. Kohli has taken a retirement. I think he has taken a retirement from T20. But finally has given a good end to the Indian for winning the T20 World Cup. Hip hip for the Kohli! Kohli!
Wow, that is the kind of enthusiasm that is prevailing over here. So 3 of them have announced their retirements from T20.
Even Rohit Sharma also has announced their retirement, and Jadeja also has announced.
How do you look at it?
He has given to the young Indian player to play for the future. He has taken the right decision, so other can get the chances, as Dhoni has given the decision to Kohli to play. Now Kohli has given to other batsmen to play on the field. It's a good decision taken by the Kohli.
Yeah. What do you have to tell about yesterday's win?
It was a brilliant match. The Indian players has been a very good playing with others.
So can we all together say Chak De India?
Chak De
Right, Dharani, of course, Chak De India is the slogan right now that's reverberating across the nation as all the young fans that we're seeing, fans from across all age groups there, young, old, and even middle-aged, everyone seems equally excited about the T20 World Cup victory. In fact, Pradeep will of course come back to you, but meanwhile, let's also take in a quick word from our guests who are also patiently waiting there. Chandar Shekhar Luthra, you've been listening to all the fans there speaking. One highlight here that we've seen is a lot of people talk about how 1983 inspired a young generation of cricketers, everyone wanting to be, of course, emulate Kapil Dev and Sunil Gavaskar and the likes of all those cricketers. But this victory could also have such a cascading effect because we're talking about Team India doing well for the past decade or so. But the elusive ICC trophy, unless you have a silverware to show, none of those efforts really count, does it? Especially when it comes to a sport like cricket. So how much do you think this is going to have an impact on young cricketers? Because a lot of them yesterday just watched their heroes like Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma lift a trophy, something that they'd never seen before.
Well, definitely, every victory has its own impact on the next generation. But one thing is for sure that you are not going to see the champions like Virat Kohli or Rohit Sharma or all these Ravindra Jadeja, players like them playing all the formats and then excelling in T20 also. They are not going to be, it's not going to be the same scenario now. Now there will be a younger generation and new generation who will be more interested in IPL or T20 rather than, all these generations. When Rohit Sharma came in 2007, he was part of Indian team, in South Africa. He was playing at number 6, number 7, number 5, that kind of, because he was a youngster. Nobody was interested in playing that time, the IPL. They were trying to protect their career, like Saurav Ganguly or VVS Lakshman, Virendra Sehwag, all these players, or Sachin Tendulkar. They were not playing the T20 format. And that's how Dhoni got the captaincy that time. And he won it. And that was a time when IPL was to be launched by the BCCI, and that's how they were trying to kind of advertise this format of cricket, and everybody was saying that okay, this should be this should be for the younger generation or the semi-retired players. But for those players who were the icons at that time, they were not interested. But after that victory, you saw them all coming back and playing the format till their retirement. So I think the same effect now will be that there'll be a younger generation who will be more whose priority will be T20, then probably the Test cricket or the one-day cricket, not the other way around.
Right. Also, Mr. Arshad Ayub, you played cricket for India in the past as well. Do you think this is the perfect example that these legends have been setting for the younger generation? Because we've seen in the past as well, many great cricketers have played for the nation and even past their time, they've tried to extend their careers. And that really kind of ruins the whole vibe about their careers, all their achievements. And now, people like Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, despite having a lot of cricket left, still making way for the youngsters. Do you think this is the right sort of an example that these legends have now set?
I think so, because the thing is that if you go back, Dhoni did the same thing. He retired at the time where he felt that he will not, and the others will contribute much more than him. And he thought that, this is the right time to retire. So similarly, I think Virat, Rohit, and now Jadeja, three of them have taken that page out of Dhoni's book. And they are saying that, yes, I think it's time that the youngster should get a chance. Like Mr. Chandrasekhar said that, these people were legends in their own right, and they have set up certain high standards. They have been part of all three formats, Test cricket, One Day, and T20. And they have been performing in all the three formats. All the three, I would say. All the three have been performing in the three formats. We'll be lucky if we can get those kind of replacement, but I'm hopeful with the youngsters coming in. I think Gill has got that potential to be a three format player, and Jaiswal is also, I think, probably is a player where I think he can also justify three formats. So similarly, I think we will get a few players who will justify three formats. But yes, today the preference is T20 because of the financial aspect, as well as you are representing a franchise, and the franchise is looking after you. But when it comes to play for India, it is completely different. I think these people, they change the gears, and then they are focused only on Indian cricket. So I'm hoping that the future players also will think like that. What Virat is very passionate, Rohit is very passionate to play for India, and that is something which
Absolutely.
I want
Mr. Arshad Ayub,
youngsters
you
to
are of
look
course
into
talking
it.
about how cricketers like Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli ending on a high really sets the right example for the youngsters. In fact, joining me right now on the broadcast is also my colleague Pradeep, who's joining us from Jammu. Pradeep, I see you standing there with a bat in your hand. Before you swing it at me for coming to you so late, help me understand what's the mood like in the northernmost part, because we were looking at states like Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Bengal, of course, where cricket is a massive religion. We also need to talk about states like Jammu, which have been producing really good cricketers of late. Help us understand what's the younger generation feeling like with this victory of India, and also is this now going to be a big watershed moment for them?
See, this is a very important and significant victory, and you can see the Josh is already high.
India!
Why I'm saying this victory is really very significant when we talk about Jammu and Kashmir. It has been known for all wrong reasons all these years. Either the youngsters were joining gun culture and going for arms training, or either they were holding stones in their hand. But this victory is really going to transform them, inspire them. Many of them will definitely love to play for Team India. We have got the youngster, Rohan Kalra is one of the budding cricketers with us. Let me speak to him. Rohan, how this victory is going to inspire you?
ये एक बहुत बड़ी विक्ट्री है. जिस तरह टीम इंडिया ने पूरे टूर्नामेंट में खेला है वो बहुत इंस्पायरिंग है. इन्होंने नेवर से डाई एटीट्यूड दिखाया है. ये एक कंसर्टेड एफर्ट था जिसमें इन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से कंट्रीब्यूट किया. हर प्लेयर ने सही टाइम पे कंट्रीब्यूट किया, हर प्लेयर सही टाइम पे क्लिक किया. और हमारा जो एक जिंक्स था पिछले 11 साल से कि हम हर बार नॉकआउट में आके अंडर प्रेशर कोलैप्स करते थे, वो हमने तोड़ा है. और कल हम बहुत अच्छे से खेल के इंडिया का नाम हमने ऊंचा किया है.
How is the Josh now?
इंडिया!
क्या कहना चाहेंगे, कुछ गा के सुनाओगे?
बिल्कुल.
बोलिए, जरा सुना दीजिए.
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों,
बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी. हिंदुस्तानी हमने कहा है, तुम भी कहो. What you want to say? क्या कहना चाहते हो?
जैसे कि कल रन बॉल मैच था, 30 बॉल में 30 रन चाहिए तो बहुत प्रेशर वाली सिचुएशन में थी इंडिया. बट जिस तरह से इंडिया ने कम बैक किया, उसकी मैं दाद देता हूँ और मैं बहुत इंस्पायर हूँ और मोटिवेट हुआ हूँ, जैसे कि हमारी कल जीत थी.
There is a saying that the family that dines together lives happily together, and the team that plays together, nobody can defeat them. That is what actually the message they have sent. क्या कहना चाहेंगे? लगता है आपको कि एक मैसेज दिया उन्होंने?
एक मैसेज जरूर दिया कि उन्होंने, जैसे बहुत सारे जो इंडियन हैं वो इंस्पायर होंगे कि अभी हमने इंडिया टीम में जाना ही जाना, क्योंकि इंडिया टीम का भी प्लेइंग ऑफ में जोश इतना था कि एक भी मैच अगर हारी नहीं है, जीते जीते फाइनल में पहुंची है. तो मतलब मैक्सिमम टीम तो जो है हार गई और इंडिया से मेरे को लगता नहीं.
कितना जोश है आप में?
सर देखो, जैसे कि अगर हम उनके देखा जाए तो अगर इंडिया जैसे खेल रही थी पूरे टूर्नामेंट में, जैसे खेली, एक भी मैच हारी ना, उसके बाद फाइनल में आके 30 बॉलों पे 30 रन चाहिए था, वहां से कम बैक करना.
रोहित को क्या कहना चाहेंगे? जोर से बोलिए.
We won.
रोहित के लिए जोर से.
Hitman.
You know what? There was a time when, in fact, in 1983, India won the Prudential World Cup. That time, the Kapil team was called Kapil Devil because they were able to demolish and decimate giant like West Indies, and they were able to inspire many people. Like we saw that Yuvraj Singh and how.
Right, Pradeep. Of course, the mood clearly there, palpable. The excitement in the air. All the young guns there, of course, inspired by India's victory. Let me go across to my guest now, of course, to get the closing remarks. Mr. Chandrasekhar Luthra, help us understand. What's your closing remark now, of course, because this is, of course, a big win for India. It's going to inspire the next generation.
Oh, yes, definitely. The young generation is going to be inspired by this victory. But again, there'll be a challenge for the selectors or the BCCI to now look for the youngsters who could actually represent India, or in the different formats. I would never say that one player should be for just for one format. So they have to look out for the persons and also the leader. after Rohit Sharma is retiring, and the captaincy is there for the grabs. Whether they are going for again Hardik Pandya, who has performed so well, but he as a captain, he was not an inspiration. He was he had his own issues with the injury or with his out of form during that time. But right now, Rishabh Pant has come back. He's also one of the aspiring leaders. So it will be a challenge for all of them.
Right. Mr. Chandrasekhar, of course, problem of plenty for Team India. I think that's a problem that Indian fans would be happy with. Arshad Ayub, your closing remarks on this incredible performance of Team India.
Well, it was a wonderful performance, as we all know that they have not lost a single game throughout. And the way they have played together, this is everybody has contributed. It's not only one person who has contributed. They have contributed in different matches, and in the finals, the fielding part of Surya Kumar was excellent. And then, Rohit Kohli's 76 runs on the board. I think that also was something which we have set up a big target for them. Initially losing 2 quick wickets. After that, he anchored the innings, and throughout the innings he was there. So I think everybody played their role. Akshar played his role by batting quickly and getting those runs. And similarly, Bumrah, he's the man of magic hands. And I think he's the one who inspires so many people to become a fast bowler. That, it is in today's time, earlier in India, there used to be spinners, and spinners used to get inspired by young players, used to get inspired by spinners. In today's time, it is only fast bowlers. Everyone wants to be a fast bowler these days, and they want to bowl quick. And I think this Indian team really inspires so many young people here, and I think that they want to emulate them, and that is a very good sign for what they want to do. And we will definitely have good young players coming out of it, and I'm hoping that already the players who are there in the lineup, they will get a chance to play, but there will be other youngsters who will be knocking the doors.
Right, Mr. Arshad, the very interesting point that you made there about Jasprit Bumrah. After many, many years, I think Indian fans finally have a homegrown fast bowler to look up to, someone that will want them to be a fast bowler as well. Appreciate you, gentlemen, for joining us on the broadcast, spending your time for this very interesting discussion where we also heard young fans talk about their dreams, their inspiration, and also the legacy that Rohit and Virat are now leaving behind in T20 internationals. So lots more lined up on the other side. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.